Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange.
How to fix default gateway is not available error. For that, you need to type one command, press Windows and R button and type there ncpa.cpl and hit enter. If you are using laptop with the Wi-Fi, you can right click that and make it disable. Again, you make it enable. If you are using desktop, you can right click on the Ethernet, make it disable and also make it enable. Still your issue is persisting, then you need to press Windows and R button and type there compmgmt.msc. In the device manager, you need to go to network. Here is your wireless adapter. Just right click that, update it, or you can right click on that and uninstall. Don't select this option, delete the driver software, just click uninstall. If you are using desktop, same thing, the Gigabyte Realtek, you need to search Ethernet, you can right click on that and uninstall it. Then click here and rescan again. Now both the drivers are enabled. Then you can restart your PC and reconnect your Wi-Fi to your Wi-Fi network or connect your LAN cable and check whether it is working or not. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.